Today we're diving into the features of the Dicor 901BA-1 EPDM water-based bonding adhesive, a must-have for RV enthusiasts looking for easy and effective roof maintenance. This universal fit adhesive is specifically designed for EPDM and TPO surfaces, providing a reliable seal and bond that ensures your RV roof stays in top condition. With its water-based, environmentally friendly formula, you can feel good about using it without compromising on performance. Each gallon covers approximately 160 square feet, making it efficient for larger projects. However, it's important to note that this adhesive is not suitable for metal, fiberglass, or membrane-to-membrane applications. Perfect for those who want a hassle-free solution, the Dicor 901BA-1 is your go-to product for maintaining the integrity of your RV roof. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.